My name's Amanda. I'm originally from Rhode Island, and I graduated Otis with a degree in product design. Prior to this, I was in the Marine Corps for 4 years. A typical day in product, if you were to walk into the building, say like 11 a.m., it's pretty bustling. There's every student has their own little workstation. Usually there will be like one-on-one meetings with your instructors, but then it starts to become more independent. During my military experience, I went through such a traumatic time. I'm even more enticed to create products that evoke emotion and being something positive in somebody's life. Got the idea of this table just based off of my own experiences as a child and growing up and how important the kitchen table was. There's cubes in the center of it, and the cubes, there's one side that's chalkboard paint, so if parents want to do homework with their kids, they could flip them over, or if they want to write a note to their spouse or something. The idea behind it is I'm very interested in creating products that also create experience. Gotten really close with some of the veterans here, and it's awesome that once a month we'll meet during lunch and kind of just talk about things that are going on, any issues we're having. I would say that if you are interested in art and design and you've gone through the military, then art and design is an incredible way of expressing your emotions and reaching out to people in indirect ways, yet still connecting and making yourself known in the world and leaving an impact.